everyone, my name is MJ. Welcome back to Learn Fun English. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of shadowing, a technique that'll supercharge your English speaking skills. Join me as I shadow a story, breaking down the rhythm, intonation, and pronunciation, all so you can follow along and improve your fluency. Ready to speak like a native? Let's get started.
Hello, my name is Lena. Hello, my name is Lena. And today I want to tell you about my family. And today I want to tell you about my family. I live in a small house with the people I love the most. I live in a small house with the people I love the most. My family is everything to me. My family is everything to me. Let's start with my mother. Let's start with my mother. She is the heart of our home. She is the heart of our home. She cooks, she cleans. She cooks, she cleans. And she takes care of everyone. And she takes care of everyone. But more than that, she listens to me when I'm sad. But more than that, she listens to me when I'm sad. She gives me warm hugs. She gives me warm hugs and always tells me, you can do it. You can do it. My father is quiet but strong. My father is quiet but strong. He works hard every day. He works hard every day. He doesn't talk much. He doesn't talk much. But I feel safe when he is around. But I feel safe when he is around. Sometimes he smiles at me and says, Sometimes he smiles at me and says, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. That means so much. That means so much. I have a sister. I have a sister. She's younger than me. She's younger than me. She loves music and dancing in her room. She loves music and dancing in her room. Sometimes we argue. Sometimes we argue. But we always laugh together in the end. But we always laugh together in the end. She's my best friend. She's my best friend. My little brother is only 10. My little brother is only 10. He runs everywhere and asks a lot of questions. He runs everywhere and asks a lot of questions. He's loud but sweet. He's loud but sweet. He likes to sit next to me when I study. He likes to sit next to me when I study. My grandmother lives with us too. My grandmother lives with us too. She tells me stories from the past. She tells me stories from the past and prays every morning. And prays every morning. Her hands are soft and warm. Her hands are soft and warm. And my grandfather. And my grandfather. He sits in his chair near the window. He sits in his chair near the window and watches the street. And watches the street. He always has a smile for me when I walk by. He always has a smile for me when I walk by. My family is not perfect. My family is not perfect. But they are mine. But they are mine. I love them with all my heart. I love them with all my heart. This is my family. This is my family. Thank you for meeting them. Thank you for meeting them.